Part 29. Salt and Stress Relief. Calm your mind with nature's crystal. Feeling stressed? Try salt, from sea salt baths to inhaling salt steam. This ancient crystal is known for its calming power. Salt works with your body's natural energy field, balancing negative ions and easing mental tension. It's like a natural tranquilizer, hidden in plain sight when anxiety spikes. A salt soak or simply holding salt can ground your emotions and bring peace to your inner storm. Ever tried it? Share your ritual in the comments and subscribe to the channel. Next episode: salt and how it strengthens your decision-making willpower.